The world is changing faster than ever, and the skills that were valuable yesterday might be outdated tomorrow. But in 2025, there's one skill that will open more doors than any other. If you want to stay ahead, earn more, and future-proof your career, this skill is a game changer. Let's dive into the best skill to learn in 2025. That skill is artificial intelligence literacy, understanding how AI works, and more importantly, how to use it in your field. In 2025, AI won't replace you, but someone who knows how to use AI will. AI literacy means you can automate boring tasks, analyze massive data in seconds, and create faster than ever. Whether you're in marketing, design, finance, or education, AI can multiply your productivity. You don't need to be a coder to start. Learn how to use tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or AI analytics software. There are free online courses and communities where you can practice every day. By 2030, 70% of all jobs will require some form of AI interaction. Those who master it now will lead the future, while others play catch-up. So, start learning AI today. The future won't wait, and neither should you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it.